Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Roshmi from Kolkata. Today I am going to show you some print silk batik along with silk kurti pieces. All are hand painted. Just have a look. I am starting with silk batik which is in high demand. See, this is denim blue color, palla portion. I have shown this design in yellow color. I have lots of repeat order. Now this is in denim blue color. This is in denim blue color. See, here is the view. Price, as you know, 3950. All the silks are silk mark certified. See, here is the view of the entire sari. This is denim blue color. Design is this. Here is the palla portion and the blouse piece. See the blouse piece. Sari number 1, price 3950. Sari number 2, this is also batik but with a different look, different design. I am trying to give you some variety on batik. Palla portion. See the palla portion. Now here comes the body. See the body. It is so different. All has been done in batik, but see the difference. I will show you in this way. See, here is the view of the entire sari. I will show you the draping view also. See, this is the draping view of the sari, palla portion and the blouse piece, which is very interesting. See, here is the blouse piece. Price 3950. As you know, you have to book your sari with the number or screenshot. You have to send a request to my number 9308666384. This is sari number 3. Another different design. See, palla portion. Here is the palla portion. Now see the body. See the entire body. It looks so pretty and so different. So different. Entire body is like this and the price 3950, sari number 3. For booking you can take a screenshot and send it back to my number 9330866384. We deliver pan India through courier and you have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking. Here is the blouse piece. Sari number 3, price is 3950. All the saris are with silk mark certification. Sari number 4. See, it is so unusual. Palla portion. This is also batik. This is also batik, palla portion. Here is the body with red and black combination. This is absolutely red color. Red and black combination. See how nice it is. This is done in batik only. These are not bandage. These all are batik work. Price 3950. See the palla and the blouse piece is similar to the palla. Blouse piece is also similar. See, here is the blouse piece. Sari number 4. Now sari number 5, bright yellow color. Bright yellow color. It is a diagonal design. See the palla portion. Palla portion. Here is the view. Viewers, if you like the program, please share with your friends, relatives and subscribe. And definitely press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. For new viewers, requesting you to subscribe if you like my channel. Here is the palla. This is the entire view of the sari. This is bright yellow color and this is the blouse piece. Price 3950, sari number 5. Then comes sari number 6 on white base. On white base, sari number 6 with mauve combination. I have shown this design with blue combination. Now this is with mauve combination or purple combination. See, this is palla. Palla portion. Entire body. These all are Bishnupur silk. These all are Bishnupur silk with silk mark certification. and the price is 3950. Price is 3950. See, here is the view of the entire sari. This is the view of the entire sari and the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Sari number, this one is sari number 6. Moving to sari number 7. See, another different type. All are batik work but with some unusual designs. Here is the palla portion. And see the body. See the body. This is the border and see the body. These all are Bishnupur silk with hand batik, price 3950 and with silk mark certification. Here is the view of the sari. For booking, you can take a screenshot or send it back to my number 9330866384. Here is the blouse piece. Next one, sari number 8. I have shown this design earlier also, but now it got ready again. That's why I am showing you. Palla portion. Here is the palla portion on white base. See, this is the lower border and this is the upper border. Lower border and upper border, and the entire body with white with black cracks. See, here is the view. Very nice one. Price 3950. These all are Bishnupur silk. These all are Bishnupur silk, and the blouse piece of this sari is black. Here is the blouse piece. Next one, another color. See, palla portion. This design is also shown earlier, but at that time I am unable to give everybody. Now it got ready, so I am showing you. Those who are interested, please let me know. The color is very unusual in batik and with a nice combination batik work. So here is the view. Price 3950. Price is 3950. Palla portion. And here is the blouse piece. Next one, sari number 10. See, this is also very nice one. Palla portion. This is the palla portion. This is palla. Sari number 10. Entire body with this work. Entire body with this work. See the work. See the work. And this is the draping view of the sari. For booking, you can call or WhatsApp 9330866384. Just take a screenshot and send it back to my number 9330866384. Next one, sari number 11. It is similar to the sari number 1, but with a different color combination. See, with a different color combination. Here is the view. This is purple color. All the silk are Bishnupur silk with silk mark certification. We deliver pan India through courier, and courier charges is absolutely free. Here is the blouse piece. All the sarees are very nice. If you want to book, please take a screenshot and send it back, but do it very fast. See, another one. Palla portion. Palla portion. And here is the view. See the view. This is also denim blue color. Here is the view with a floral motifs. and this is the pleats portion. See, this design will come in the pleats. I will show you in this way. It will be easier. This is the pleats portion. Wrapping view of the sari and the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Price of all the saris, all the batiks are same, 3950. Another white one. See, palla portion. Palla portion. Then here is the body. Entire body is white with different motifs. See, here is the view. This is the view of the sari, palla portion and blouse piece. Price same, 3950. Denim blue color with this face motif. See, now this time it has been arranged little bit differently. Here is the palla and here is the body. See, this is the body. This is the body color. Entire body is like this. Here is the entire body, and the price of this sari is also 3950. I will show you the blouse piece also. Here is the blouse piece. Sari number 15. This is yellow color. I will show you half and half concept. This is half portion. This design will go half portion like this way, and the rest half is yellow with the border. See, it will be the draping view of the sari. This is the draping view of the sari. Here is the view. Palla portion, and this is the entire sari. And the blouse piece of this sari is also yellow. Here is the blouse piece. It was sari number 15. Now viewers, I will show you some silk kurti pieces. All are hand painted. These all are 2.5 meters. All are silk material with silk mark. See this is the upper piece. This is single piece, upper piece, 2.5 meters, and this work will come diagonally in front. See the back portion. Price is 1650. Kurti piece number 1. Now kurti piece number 2. If you want to book, please mention the kurti piece number also, and if you can take a screenshot, it will be better. Number 2, it is yellow. These all are 2.5 meters. This is kurti piece number 2. See the work. These all are hand painted. Price 1650. Number 3. Number 3. This is peach color. Peach color. Price 1650. Please mention the number of kurti pieces. Number 3, peach color, 1650. Number 4, blue color. All are 1650. I will show you the designs only. This is blue color. All are hand painted. Material is pure silk, hand painted, and this is upper portion, only upper piece, 1650. Next one, number 5, red color. Very nice one, I will show you. See, this is also hand painted. This is painting, freehand painting. Price 1650. Next one, green color. This is number 6. Number 6. See, here is the view. Number 6, price is 1650. All are silk material, 2.5 meter. These are upper portion. This is number 7. This is number 7, another peach color. It may look like red, but it is peach color, deep peach color. This is number 8, another black, lovely black. See, here is the view, lovely black color, and see the length. You can see this is the length, and this is 2.5 meter. Price is 1650. Black color. Next one, 9. Number 9. This is pink, deep pink or rani pink, you can say. Here is the view, entire portion. Price 1650. Next one, number 10. Another blue, but this is royal blue. See, royal blue. Price 1650. See the view. Another one, number 11. For booking, please call or WhatsApp 9330866384 and mention the kurti number and sari number. If you can take a screenshot, it will be better. See, here is the view. Number 11. These all are 2.5 meter. Pure silk material with silk mark, and the price is 1650. Another one, number 12, last one. This is also black. Blacks are very attractive, as you know. Corner to corner design. It will come like this way. And see the length of the pieces. See the length. Price is 1650. These all are 2.5 meter pure silk material. Viewers, I have shown you 15 batik sarees along with 12 kurti pieces. If you want to book, you can take a screenshot and send it back to my number 9330866384. We deliver pan India through courier, and courier charges is absolutely free. You have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking, and I will send you the saree through courier. COD facility is available only within Kolkata. My contact number 9330866384.